Welcome to the Physical Therapist Assistance Information Session. The application for licensure includes questions asking applicants to disclose any criminal or substance abuse history. If you have such history, it does not mean you definitely cannot become licensed, but it is a good idea to know ahead of time. If you think this might be an obstacle for you, you may wish to contact the Department of Health prior to going through the time and expense of the program. There are only two people on the healthcare team who can provide physical therapy services: the physical therapist and the physical therapist assistant. As a PTA, you will work under the supervision of a PT to provide patients with physical therapy services. There are so many avenues to explore in the field of physical therapy. You can work with patients from all age populations, and you can work in a variety of settings such as a hospital, outpatient center, in a school setting, etc. Also, we can work with patients who have a variety of diagnoses such as sports injuries, traumatic accidents, surgeries, congenital diseases, etc. It's an exciting and very rewarding profession with a great deal of options for the PTA. To study to become a PTA, you must enjoy working closely with people. You will not only work as part of the healthcare team, but you will work closely with patients and their families as well. You should enjoy learning about the body. It is important to be able to communicate in English, both in writing and verbally. Some of you may be deciding whether or not you should pursue a degree as a PT or PTA. Broward College only offers the PTA degree. If you wish to become a PT, you should seek information from a university that offers the program. Only the PT can evaluate the patient. PTAs cannot treat patients unless they are first evaluated by a PT. Once the PT evaluates the patient and sets up a plan of care, the PTA can administer treatment to the patient. The PT degree is a doctoral degree. The PTA degree is an associate's degree. Cost of programs is dependent on whether the school is public or private. This information is taken from the Bureau of Labor Statistics websites and is informally confirmed during conversations with recent graduates. Salary will depend upon the practice setting the PTA works in. The job outlook: employment of physical therapist assistants is expected to increase 30% from 2016 to 2026. The location of the PTA program is at Broward College North Campus in Coconut Creek. The program is 5 semesters. The first semester includes only general education courses. Although it is not required, most students have these courses completed before the program begins. The actual PTA courses begin in August. The program is a full-time day program. Most days end by approximately 3 p.m. However, there are some earlier or slightly later days as well. If you have completed the general education courses, they begin actual PTA program. If you have completed the general education courses, the actual PTA courses will begin in August. There are no summer courses in the second year of the program. The application period is from October 1st to January 15th. The Health Science Admissions Department cannot accept any late applications. Students are accepted to the program based on the published point system. The Health Science Admissions Department will tabulate all applicants' points after the January 15th deadline to apply. Applicants must acquire the signature of an academic advisor on their limited access application. Students are responsible for making sure that any courses which have been transferred in have been evaluated by an academic advisor. This must be done before January 15th. The Health Science Admissions Department notifies applicants of their status through their BC email. You must check your student email frequently. Accepted and alternate students attend a pre-admissions meeting to learn about documentation and requirements needed to secure their seat in the program. If the student fails to complete any of the requirements, their seat will be forfeited. The first 5 courses have stars next to them. These are the courses that students get points for completion as well as the grade received. For all other courses, they only get points for completion. GPA is only considered in the event of a tie. Application period is strict. The program does not keep a wait list. If a student is not accepted, they must reapply. This is our web page. This is our contact list. Thank you for your interest in the PTA program at Broward College.